Thanks again for joining us here at Kalkine TV, and this is the trending news. On Thursday, social media company Twitter stocks climbed over 4% in the pre-market after announcing an additional $4 billion share buyback plan. The company had announced a US $2 billion repurchase program in the year 2020. The Twitter stock was up 4.55% to US $39.55 at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time from its previous close. However, the company's fourth quarter results and revenue guidance on Thursday fell short of Wall Street estimates. The company reported revenue of US $1.57 billion in quarter four, financial year 21, an increase of 22% from the year ago quarter. The company said in a release that it added 6 million new users in the final quarter of fiscal 21, bringing the average daily active users to 217 million, up 13% year on year. Both the segments fell short, however, of the estimates. Twitter expects the revenue to grow in the low to mid 20% range in the year 2022. The company now expects its revenue to be between US $1.17 billion and US $1.27 billion in the first quarter of financial year 22, falling short of estimates. For the full year, it expects the revenue to grow in the low to mid 20% range. According to Twitter CFO Ned Segal, the company's weaker than anticipated guidance is due to the recent sale of its advertisement platform, MoPub, which contributed US $281 million in revenue in 2021, including $51 million in the first quarter. Twitter sold the ad platform to AppLovin Corp for $1.05 in a cash deal that closed on January 1. However, Segal said the company could make up some of the MoPub-related losses in 2022 and entirely by the year 2023. The company also said that Apple's privacy policy changes would have a modest effect on its business. The policy had impacted Meta Platform profit in the last quarter, but unlike Meta Platform's Facebook and Snap, Twitter mainly focuses on a brand advertisement that requires less targeting of market data. However, it may still impact profit in its advertising business moving forward. The company announced a new plan to buy back $4 billion of shares, besides the US $2 billion repurchase program declared in 2020. The stock was up 4.55% to US $39.55 at 8:30 a.m. ET from its previous close at US $37.83. The buyback plan shows its confidence in the business, which may have relieved investors after weaker than expected results and guidance. Meanwhile, the social media company said it made meaningful progress towards its target of achieving 315 million users and US $7.5 billion annual revenue by 2023 end. Additionally, the company added that user growth is expected to accelerate this year across the globe. It also focuses on big projects like audio chat rooms and newsletters to attract more users and advertisers. Twitter has entered a new chapter after its co-founder Jack Dorsey has unexpectedly resigned from the CEO role in November, following which its former CTO Parag Agrawal took the top job. The company still faces pressure to move faster in developing new products. Its stock value tumbled 44.18% over the past 12 months. And that's the latest with the buzzing trending news. I'm Rose Jacobs for Kalkine TV.